Okay, so this is question 3 from the textbook, and looking at the information they've given us, QT is perpendicular to WT, which means those two lines meet at a right angle, and PW is perpendicular to WT, which means they also meet at a right angle, and QW, which is here, is equal to PT, which is here. Prove that triangle QTW is congruent to triangle PWT. With this question, I see that I have right angles, so I'm automatically led to that proof. So I'll try that proof, and if it doesn't work out, I might use another one, but hopefully the RHS proof works out. So we can say that angle QTW is equal to angle PWT, which is 90 degrees, and that's given. Remember that we put R in the brackets because we're talking about a right angle. Then we're going to look through our question and use the QW and the PT. QW is equal to PT. Now looking at these two triangles, those sides which are equal, they're the hypotenuse of each triangle. There's one right angle triangle, and that's the hypotenuse. And here's the other, and that's the hypotenuse. So, when we say QW is equal to PT, because that's given, the reason in brackets is the H. The last thing we need to prove is that we have a side that is equal or is common between the right and the left, and this line here that runs through is common between this triangle and this triangle, which means it's a shared side. So we can say TW is common, and that's our side. We have our R, we have our H, and we have our S. Therefore, triangle QTW is congruent, and I'll try and use the same order of letters that they've used, is congruent to triangle PWT, and the reason is RHS. Question number 3.